Hi, my name is Tim O'Leary. I'm a product specialist here at CTC. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the DM91000 reverse mount proximity probe housing. This housing is designed to protect your proximity probe assembly in the harshest of industrial environments, while still offering easy access to your probe and extension cable connectors, as well as give you the ability to adjust your proximity probe gap while the machine is running without shutting down the machine or wasting time by removing your probe system entirely. So the reverse mount housing is made an aluminum body and a 316L stainless steel proximity probe sleeve at the bottom. And now we'll show you how to assemble a DM91000 series reverse mount proximity probe housing. So first things first, you're going to start off with the base of the housing. This has a 3/4 by 14 NPT fitting at the end. So this will be screwed down directly into the machine housing itself. Once that base is screwed in, the next step you'll want to take the proximity probe sleeve of the assembly. And from here, you will thread your reverse mount probe into the proximity probe sleeve. Like so. Once the probe is threaded into the sleeve, you will then stick the sleeve into the base of the proximity probe housing. Thread that into there. At this point, this is where you'll actually be setting the gap distance between the probe tip and your target material in the housing. So once you've adjusted the penetration depth of the sleeve to its desired area, you want to take the sleeve nut of the assembly next and thread that down over the sleeve like so. That will lock the sleeve to your desired gap setting, and after that you will take the hex nut of the housing and screw that right on top of the sleeve nut. That hex nut will lock that sleeve nut into place, and it will make sure that the gap of your probe does not change while you have this housing installed. After that, you need to make the connection between your proximity probe and your extension cable. So right here you can see on both sides of the reverse mount housing we have 3/4 by 14 NPT fittings. So these can be run through conduit. We'll take the extension cable, thread it through that NPT hole. From here, you'll make the connection between the proximity probe and the extension cable. Once that connection is made, you can simply put the cap on the reverse mount housing and protect that connector for easy access in the future. It will also give you easy access in the future if you ever needed to swap out the probe itself or your extension cable. We also do offer additional mounting accessories as well. If there is clearance issues on the surface of the machine housing, the reverse mount proximity probe housing will be installed on. We do carry different sizes of standoff adapters, and that will screw in right over that NPT fitting on the bottom of the housing. And it has an additional male NPT fitting right at the end that can be screwed down to give you additional clearance when needed.